Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to buy ETFs on Fidelity. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. The first thing you need to do is log into your Fidelity account. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can view your account balances, available cash, and investment holdings. Before purchasing an ETF, make sure you have enough cash available in your Fidelity account. If you need to add funds, you can use the transfers section to move money from a linked bank account into your Fidelity account. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trade section located in the main menu. Click on it and select Stocks ETFs from the available trading options. If you have multiple Fidelity accounts, choose the account you want to use for the purchase. Next, enter the ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy. As you type the symbol, Fidelity will display information about the ETF, including its current market price, performance data, and other key details to help you verify that you have selected the correct investment. After choosing the ETF, select Buy as your action. Then enter the number of shares you would like to purchase. Some ETFs can also be purchased using Fidelity's fractional share investing feature, allowing you to invest a specific dollar amount instead of buying a full share, depending on eligibility. Now choose your order type. A market order will purchase the ETF at the current market price when the order is executed. A limit order allows you to specify the maximum price you are willing to pay for each share. Once you have entered your order details, carefully review the information, including the ETF symbol, quantity, order type, and estimated cost of the transaction. Click Preview Order to see a summary of your trade. Fidelity will display all the details so you can verify that everything is correct before submitting the order. If everything looks good, click Place Order or Submit. Fidelity will then process your trade and provide you with a confirmation number showing that your order has been received. If you placed a market order during market hours, the trade may execute almost immediately. If you used a limit order, the order will remain open until your specified price is reached or until the order expires, depending on the settings you selected. After the trade is completed, the ETF will appear in your portfolio and positions page. You can monitor its performance, view gains and losses, and make future trades directly from your Fidelity account dashboard. And that's all there is to it.
Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.